Dreams are an enduring source of mystery for scientists and psychological doctors. Why do dreams occur? What causes them? Can we control them? What do they mean and what are the things we don't know about dreams? Watch our video till the end to know all the information related to it. As you all know, dream is a succession of images, ideas, emotions and sensations that usually occur involuntarily in the mind during certain stages of sleep. The content and purpose of dreams are not fully understood, although they have been a topic of scientific, philosophical, and religious interest throughout recorded history. They can be entertaining, fun, romantic, disturbing, frightening, and sometimes bizarre. Dreams mainly occur in the rapid eye movement, that is REM stage of sleep, when brain activity is high and resembles that of being awake. REM sleep is revealed by continuous movements of the eyes during sleep. At times, dreams may occur during other stages of sleep as well. However, these dreams tend to be much less vivid or memorable. The length of a dream can vary. They may last for a few seconds or even for 20 to 30 minutes. There are several theories about why we dream. Are dreams merely part of the sleep cycle or do they serve some other purpose? Some researchers say dreams have no purpose or meaning. Others say we need dreams for our mental, emotional, and physical health. Studies have looked into the importance of dreams to our health and well-being. Possible explanations include representing unconscious desires and wishes, interpreting random signals from the brain and body during sleep, consolidating and processing information gathered during the day, and working as a form of psychotherapy. From evidences and new researches, some dreams may help our brains process our thoughts and the events of the day. Others may just be the result of a normal brain activity and mean very little, if anything. Researchers are still trying to figure out exactly why we dream. Famous psychologist Sigmund Freud believed that dreams are a window into our subconscious and that they reveal a person's unconscious desires, thoughts, and motivations. Freud thought dreams were a way for people to satisfy urges and desires that weren't acceptable to society. There are usually 5 types of dreams. Number 1 is daydreams. The average person daydreams for a whopping 70 to 120 minutes of their waking day. Second is normal dreams. These are your box standard dreams where you have no idea you are dreaming until you wake up. Third is lucid dreams. They are richly impressive and you can guide them into infinite and beautiful worlds of your choosing. Lucid dreaming is the ultimate freedom. Fourth is false awakenings. False awakenings are a type of dream occurrence where a person believes they have woken up but actually haven't. Fifth is the nightmares. A nightmare can be any normal dream with a very scary twist. Now we will get to the main point, that is the things we don't know about dreams. 1. You are less likely to remember a dream if your alarm jots you awake. The trauma of an alarm dragging you into the waking world can cause you to forget where you were floating just moments before. 2. People who remember their dreams show different brain activity. According to a 2014 study, people who remember more dreams react more to sounds during sleep. 3. We dream in real time. Despite the myth that our dreams occur in a split second, in reality, dreams can play out for 20, 30 or even 60 minutes. 4. We all dream, you just don't remember it. Many people claim that they don't dream at all, but that's not true. We all dream, but up to 60% of people don't remember their dreams at all. 5. Not everyone dreams in color. About 12% of people only dream in black and white. 6. It's possible to control your dreams. A lucid dream is one in which you are aware that you are dreaming even though you are still asleep. 7th and the last one is, in our dreams we only see faces that we already know. Our mind is not inventing faces, as a human is incapable of building up a sculptured face. In our dreams we see real faces of real people that we have seen during our life, but may not know or remember. That's it for today's video. Dreams are a beautiful part of our sleep. Dreams have fascinated humanity since the beginning of time and will probably continue to puzzle us. Science has allowed us to learn much about the human brain, but we may never know for sure the meanings behind our dreams. Are you the one who remember your dreams? Comment below.